The Tesla Semi was once laughed at and called Tesla's slowest moving project, but today it is entering what can only be described as a golden period. The company now has a plan to build 50,000 electric trucks at the new Gigafactory, reaching an incredible pace of one Tesla Semi every 10 minutes, something the trucking industry has never seen before. Based on the latest information, alongside the 32 Tesla Semis that went through testing just 2 weeks ago, new footage shared by Tesla followers revealed 21 freshly built Tesla Semis outside the Semi-factory at 550 Milan, Nevada, United States. These new trucks feature a completely refreshed cabin made of strong steel reinforced with fiberglass panels. Nearby, 12 carefully packaged blue cargo bundles sit neatly on pallets, believed to be unfinished Tesla Semi prototypes prepared for Giga Berlin, where they will go through the final stages of production. So what exactly does this new Tesla Semi look like? And why is Tesla keeping it hidden so carefully? What secrets about this groundbreaking truck are still not fully known? Stay with us, because in just a moment you will see details and never-before-seen glimpses of the new Tesla Semi design. Most people assume that an electric truck like the Semi must come with a sky-high cost, maybe even $500,000, because it needs a huge battery and advanced systems capable of lasting thousands of miles on highways. But once again, Elon Musk surprised the entire trucking world with a base cost of only $150,000, far lower than the overall operating and maintenance costs of a diesel truck. This is not just a price, it is a message. Tesla is not simply building electric trucks, it is rewriting the very rules of the global road freight economy. Before we continue, welcome to AMP Drive. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and join us, because we bring you the most exciting Tesla news and updates. Your support helps us grow, and we invite you to be part of our community. So, what makes the Tesla Semi so different? And why is Elon Musk so bold in his confidence? Can a fully electric truck weighing many tons actually complete long-distance journeys without running out of battery power? And even more importantly, how can the Semi really help businesses save millions of dollars every single year in fuel costs? If the Semi works exactly as Elon Musk has promised, then the trucking world is heading for a massive transformation. According to recent video footage from Zangler, a longtime Tesla Semi supporter, at the test production site at 550 Milan in Nevada, a large number of Tesla Semis were being staged. Apart from the vehicles already used for moving components, about 12 brand new Semis were counted in this area. Several panels could also be seen stored nearby, both larger and smaller, ready to be mounted on the upper cabin structure. The cabin is constructed mainly from steel, while the side panels are fiberglass, most likely fixed using bolts, though exact technical details are uncertain. On the northern side of Milan Avenue toward the northwest of the building, several large blue cargo bundles were carefully wrapped. This detail instantly brings to mind images from earlier weeks when Tesla prototype Semis were wrapped, placed on pallets, and labeled with specifications before shipment. Based on analysis from Tesla fans and industry observers, these newly wrapped bundles are most likely incomplete prototype versions of the Tesla Semi, packed and prepared for transport to Giga Berlin. This interpretation makes a lot of sense. Elon Musk has already pointed out that Europe could become the next big market for the Tesla Semi. However, entering this market is not as simple as sending trucks across the ocean. Vehicles must be adjusted to European safety rules, operational standards, and road limits, which are often very different from North American ones. That is why sending unfinished prototypes for local assembly is part of Tesla's strategy. Final assembly in Europe means Tesla can fine-tune the design for European requirements, gain faster regulatory approval since testing happens locally, and ensure readiness for European roads, cargo limits, and charging systems. This decision clearly shows a smart and forward-looking strategy. Those are the newest updates about Tesla Semi production. If there is a topic you want us to cover in detail, leave a comment, and we will bring it in the next video. But let us step back for a moment and ask, why is Elon Musk so committed to the Semi project? And how exactly does he describe the design of this truck? To answer that, we need to look at what the Semi offers. A truck capable of traveling almost 500 miles on one charge, using less than 1.55 kilowatt-hours per mile, with no oil changes, no gearbox service, no air filter replacements. That equals huge yearly savings for logistics companies. Many trucking businesses operate on very small profit margins, sometimes only 2 to 3%. For them, the semi could provide financial relief and spark a race to switch to electric fleets, reshaping the entire logistics industry. Still, the semi does face challenges. The first is battery weight. To reach a 500-mile range, the battery must be very large and heavy, reducing possible cargo compared to a diesel truck. For companies counting every kilogram, this is important. The second is charging networks. Elon Musk is growing the mega charger network, but creating a global system requires time, investment, and government partnerships. Early on, not every route will have chargers powerful enough to support the semi's full ability. The third issue is cost. With a price between $150,000 and $180,000, the semi is still more expensive upfront than diesel trucks. For smaller operators, this may cause hesitation even though operating costs are much lower in the long run. These, however, are temporary problems. Battery technology is advancing rapidly. Tesla is already working with different types of batteries from the 2170 cells to the 4680 cells, lithium iron phosphate packs, and even aluminum-ion batteries. These newer batteries are cheaper, lighter, and more efficient. At the same time, charging networks will expand as demand increases. Costs will naturally come down as Tesla builds more trucks by 2026. Anyone who thinks the Tesla Semi is just a diesel truck stuffed with extra batteries is mistaken. Elon Musk designed it from the ground up with one principle: reduce operating costs and increase performance to levels competitors cannot achieve. The battery, built with Tesla's 4680 cells at Giga Texas, offers very high energy density, lowers production costs by more than 50%, and scales easily. This eliminates the biggest cost barrier of electric trucks right at the factory level. People are already excited to learn about version 2 of the Semi. Apart from updated headlights, Dan Priestley confirmed new components, including the new high-performance battery. Even though this battery stores less total energy than the current pilot batteries, efficiency improvements of more than 7% allow the same 500-mile range. Tesla's mega charger system also plays a huge role. While competitors are stuck with slow charging options, the Semi can restore 70% of its battery in half an hour, enough for hundreds of miles. That is a serious advantage. So why is Elon Musk so sure that the Semi is not only a truck but a revolution in global logistics? It comes down to Tesla's production approach. From the moment Elon Musk became Tesla's chief executive officer, he made it clear that Tesla was not only an electric car company but also a technology company set to reshape transportation worldwide. The Semi must prove safe, reliable, and strong for cross-country use. If an electric truck breaks down on a highway, it could mean major traffic problems. That is why Tesla develops the Semi at Giga Nevada and Giga Texas, two of the most advanced factories with the best battery and safety systems in the world. Engineers even confirmed that the Semi shares much of its platform with the Tesla Model S Plaid and the Roadster, known for record performance. The difference is that the Semi must deliver similar strength while pulling 40 tons of cargo. From its aerodynamic body with a drag coefficient of 0.36, lower than even a Bugatti Chiron, to its central driver's seat offering wide visibility, every detail was designed to change trucking forever. The 4 independent motors allow the Semi to accelerate to 100 km per hour in 20 seconds with a full load. Diesel trucks simply cannot match this. Yes, the Semi is heavier than diesel trucks, and it may lose a few percent of cargo space, but Elon Musk believes the long-term savings and environmental benefits far outweigh this drawback. The battery capacity is still a mystery, but experts expect it to be more than 1 megawatt-hour, perhaps the largest battery ever in a commercial truck. High-density 4680 cells combined with lightweight materials may be the secret to balancing range and weight. Thanks to this battery and design, the Semi can reach 500 miles on a charge and save companies more than $200,000 in fuel costs over its life. Compared to competitors like Daimler, Volvo, or Nikola, whose electric trucks can only handle shorter ranges under lighter loads, the Tesla Semi is on another level entirely. This is why many once called electric trucks impossible, and why Elon Musk continues to prove them wrong. With a starting price of $150,000, the Semi is not just competitive, it is disruptive. So, what do you think? Could this bold move really change the global freight economy, or will the price still be too much for small trucking businesses? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video on AMP Drive. Subscribe now so you do not miss the next major Tesla update, coming very soon. Make sure to like this video, share it, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest content. We appreciate your support, and we will see you in the next one. Goodbye.